Now, we're deep into our Never Lift business plan. In the next 3 days, we're going to bring that future much more into focus. Now, tomorrow and Wednesday, they're dedicated to a single car. So they're going to be much clearer and easier to follow. But honestly, today is a real challenge. Look, we've got a lot to share with you. And it's all over the board because we want to squeeze as much into and out of the current generation muscle cars before they're gone. Because this lineup deserves a send-off unlike any other. And we've been listening to you, reading your posts, your blogs, your user-generated content, okay, not all of it, but some of it, in order to give you exactly what you've been asking for within reason. And our Power Broker program was born really as kind of a badass concierge. And we're going to lean on that channel very hard to deliver all of this for you. And we're going to amp up all of our direct connection stuff. Now, for the most of our direct connection stuff, it's going to be available for years and allow tens of thousands of customers to keep working on their muscle cars that they already have right now. But today, we're launching 2 new DC parts, components that need to be built and sold before the current generation cars go out of production, because we need fresh bodies for them. Now, in many ways, these are blank canvases that allow you to build something that defines what you stand for and projects your style of performance to the world. That's why we revived the legend of direct connection, to give you the parts and the pieces, the recipe and the ingredients to run exactly what you want to run. Nobody saw this one coming, but the drag racers have been asking for it, and Direct Connection answered. This is our Drag Pak Rolling Chassis, straight from Direct Connection into the hands of the sportsman drivers. Straight from the factory, certified 750 roller, ready for any power combo you want to put in it, and it'll run you less than 90 grand plus a powertrain. Unbelievable deal. And the Direct Connection hotline is open now to take orders for these because you know we need the bodies.